So in this example, we're starting at $35, and we're going to get a discount of 20%. Now, the first thing to understand before we even get started, if it's a discount, will we be adding things together to pay more or subtracting to pay less? Subtracting, good. So here's what we do. I'm going to take 20% of $35 and subtract it. I'm going to take it off of 35. That's like when they say 20% off, because I'm going to subtract it. So I'm going to take my $35 and I need to find 20%. To do that, I will move the decimal twice and make this times 0.20. It does not matter which number you put on top or bottom when you multiply, and because we are multiplying, you don't have to line up the decimals. You only line up decimals when you add and subtract. So multiplying, we don't need to worry about it. So let's multiply this. 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10. We've used the 5, so we'll move it over. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6. That's a 0, that's a 0, that's a 7. But don't forget where the decimal goes. I counted two numbers, 2 and 0. Two numbers that came after a decimal. So 1, 2, so I got to bring it in. 1, 2. That means that this was $7. So my discount that I just calculated, 20% of 35 was $7. But that's not my final answer. I'm trying to find how much it costs at the end. So I'm going to take my $35, and we said at the beginning, it's a discount, so am I adding 7 to this or taking 7 away? Taking 7 away. So I get to subtract 35 minus 7, leaves me with $28. So if you walked into a store and you saw something $35 and it was 20% off, you can expect to be charged $28. You save $7 on that. Then you'll have to do tax, but that's what we'll get to next time.